In this exercise, we'll look at the recording of personal money taken from the business. It's also known as drawings, money taken from the business for personal use. Drawings. Okay. Now, the document we have to illustrate this recording is a payment voucher. Ideally, businesses should document money coming in and money coming out. Doesn't work in practice, but that's what it should be, because there is no other way we can track this money. It must be recorded down somewhere. Well, the other option is a list of money paid out. That's where we could extract this from. But the ideal document is a payment voucher. Okay. Now, this money was paid by bank. Paid to who? To the owner. Now we proceed to record this transaction. This is our device. Let's see, our device is below here. Let's have the document up there, and the device is below. Now we need to cover something here. We don't need to see that. Come there and there. Brilliant. Now we're going to find the form in module number 2, miscellaneous here. And then the form to use is number 4. Remember, this is supposed to be the simplest form of accounts, learned in a period of about 1 hour, record time. So we are using customized forms. Form number 4, cash for the owner. Now, for those transactions commonly done by small businesses, there is a special form for each one of them. So we're using form number 4, cash for the owner. There it comes up. Now, well, we can make this bigger, but the display doesn't widen. The document has been generated, and remember, this was set in chapter number 2. Now, where is the money coming from? The money is coming from the bank account. So we click the drop down here, and the first one is bank 1. So we select bank 1, which is account 205. Where does this money go to? It goes to the owner. Now let's have a look. Which other options do we have here? We've got 286 and 287. This is cash before tax, and that is cash after tax. Well, we may need to monitor and know when was this cash taken, because the one taken after tax really could leave with a zero balance. But the one before tax, we're not sure. The one taken after tax is actually determined by the amount of profit after we have deducted the tax to be paid. That's when we can take the balance. It's acceptable. So this is cash taken before tax, 286. Now the narration is already there. The document number is already there. Remember, this transaction is matched to that document. That document is supposed to support this transaction. So if you don't have a 7 on your source document, please add it there, because after 5 years, you might be required to support this transaction in the records with a source document. So all we have to do here is record the amount of 12,000. 12000. Now remember, this amount might be much for a small business at a single moment. We are using what should be annual figures in this exercise. So we're looking at about £1,000 per month. And it looks like we're ready to save. So we click save and close. There we are done. Now in this learning phase, we need to verify to confirm if what is recorded is correct. So we scroll down to the transaction edit. And then here we're looking for well, in this case, it's the most recent transaction coming from document number 7. It's transaction 8. The amount is 12,000. The amount is correct. And most crucial, where is the money coming from? The bank account. That's why that amount is negative. The balance on the bank account is going to reduce. And then it's ending up on the owner's account. That is owner's cash before tax. That's where that value is ending up as far as the records are concerned. We are satisfied with that. So the next task now is to pause the video. The next task is to pause the video and record. But, however, before we get to that stage, which form are we going to use? The form is in module number 2, and that is form number 4. Cash for the owner, recording this money taken for personal use. Pause the video and record if you like. Well, for those who have recorded, thank you very much. So what we need to do is to confirm what has been recorded. So we're still in miscellaneous number 2. We scroll down and we get to transaction edit. Transaction edit. We're looking for document number 7. There it is. And the amount is 12,000. The money came from the bank account, which has a negative, and it ends up on the owner's cash before tax, 12,000. We seem to be correct. In case of any errors, please click the edit button. In case you used the wrong form, then correcting it could be difficult because some forms don't have particular accounts. But I guess you used the correct form because I did give the guidance on that. And remember, we've got guidance on all the recording forms. We have guidance on all the recording forms. Now, let's see. What should we look at? 12,000 taken for personal use. Let's have a quick look at the dashboard. Quick look at the dashboard. That 12,000, where did it come from? It came from the bank account. The bank balance has dropped. And it went to drawings. That's the 12,000 that we've recorded. Well, that's about it. That brings us to the end of the recording of personal cash taken from the business. Any questions, please, via our Facebook page. Thank you.